How to get $15 on Cash App after inviting friends. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will see how we can invite friends on Cash App to earn $15. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up Cash App, make sure that you're logged in. After that, navigate to top right corner and tap on your profile icon. That's gonna take you to your account page. Now from the menu available there, scroll down and search for invite friends option, and there you will see that you will get $15 after you invite your friend. So tap on invite friend. Then there you will have a text box to add your friend. You can share with your friend. So on the text box, type in your friend username. After that, once your friend accepts the invitation and creates an account with your referral link, then you will get $15 on your account. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.